Hi everyone, this lesson is about confirming information. Eating out has a few interesting expressions to confirm information mainly. Let's have a look at some expressions from the module. I can see you are very excited, aren't you? You haven't been here before, have you? I guess you're all hungry, aren't you? You don't like spicy food, do you? It comes with vegetables, doesn't it? What do you notice about these little questions that come at the end of each statement? What is their purpose? That's right, they're all confirming information. Question tags are short questions added at the end of an affirmative or a negative sentence. In the examples, the question tags are aren't you, have you, do you, and doesn't it. They could be used as real questions asking for certain information, but they're often used for confirming information the speaker thinks he or she knows. The meaning of the question tag depends on how you say it. If it's a real question for information, your voice goes up. If you think you already know the answer and are just looking for confirmation or agreement, your voice goes down. Now let's have a look at these examples. She likes vegetables, doesn't she? The test wasn't hard, was it? In the first example, there's an affirmative sentence. She likes vegetables, followed by a negative question tag, doesn't she? In the second example, there's a negative sentence. The test wasn't hard, followed by an affirmative question tag, was it? What are the rules for question tags? Rule number 1. If the main part of the sentence is affirmative, the question tag is negative. So affirmative sentences, negative question tag. Let's look at some more examples. Notice how affirmative sentences are followed by negative question tags. She plays basketball, doesn't she? They drove to the amusement park, didn't they? Rule number 2. If the main part of the sentence is negative, the question tag is affirmative. So negative sentence, affirmative question tag. Let's have a look at these examples. Notice how negative sentences are followed by affirmative question tags. They don't like big houses, do they? She didn't go to the movies last week, did she? Can you make more question tags? She is happy, isn't she? She isn't happy, is she? She was happy, wasn't she? She wasn't happy, was she? They are happy, aren't they? They aren't happy, are they? She likes chocolate, doesn't she? She doesn't like chocolate, does she? What do you notice? Have you been able to establish a pattern? That's right. We form the question tag based on the verb being used in the original statement. If the main clause is positive, the question tag is negative. And if the main clause is negative, it's positive. If the main clause has an auxiliary verb in it, you use the same verb in the tag question. She can speak Arabic, can't she? She will answer the question, won't she? If there is no auxiliary verb, in the present simple and past simple, use do, does, and did, just like when you make a normal question. She arrives at 10 in the morning, doesn't she? She arrived at 10 in the morning, didn't she? It is nice to apply the question tag rule. However, there is one exception. The question tag after I am is aren't I. For example, I am in charge of the food, aren't I? Let's see if we understand correctly. Can you complete the exercise?